Hey detailers, today we're going to go over how to restore faded trim on a vehicle from none other than Chris West from Solution Finish, one of my favorite products. So stay tuned. One more time. Have to do that again. Apply some Solution Finish with
Hey everybody, Chris West with Solution Finish. I'm here with Brianne, and today we're going to show you the proper way to apply Solution Finish. But first, let me show you the first easy step, and that is to clean the plastic. What you want to do is just use straight rubbing alcohol. 70 or 90% is best, but 50-50 works just as good. All we want to do is give it a nice alcohol bath. We're just cleaning out the pores and removing any previously applied silicone. Okay, we've prepped the plastic, so now the few simple steps to apply Solution Finish. Solution Finish has a shaker ball inside, so what it will do is thoroughly mix it. It says on the bottle, vigorously shake, and that is very important. When you open up the bottle, you'll see that it has an orifice reducer. That's going to keep it from spilling, but it's going to give you the proper amount of Solution Finish to apply. Apply a small amount on a microfiber applicator. And then all you're doing is wiping the plastic down, agitating a little bit because it's going to dissolve the existing oxidation as you're applying it.
And how long do we keep this on before we wipe it off?
It's like water on a paper towel. As soon as Solution Finish hits it, it's absorbed and it's ready to go. Okay, so that's the first step, applying Solution Finish. Now you want to take a clean microfiber towel and you want to thoroughly buff off all of the excess surface oil.
So can we use this towel again, or should we, just toss it?
No, you know what? A lot of guys will use it 3 or 4 times. You fold it, and remember, whatever's on the towel, that's how much you're losing. So more is not better with Solution Finish. You don't want to drench it. Small amount on a microfiber, and then apply it. Keep on going until nothing's going on the part, then re-dip it. More is not better. So you apply the product and just buff it off because we want it to look like a new part or a well-maintained part. We don't want to have that greasy, oily, wet look shine that you see with a silicone-based dressing.
So after you buff off all the excess on it,
okay,
is there anything else that we need to do? Any maintenance that we need to do to upkeep or?
That's actually an excellent question. Once Solution Finish is applied, it's a true trim restorer, meaning that now you could treat it like a new part. If you maintain plastic now and wipe on silicone, wipe on the other dressings, you can do that with Solution Finish because you restored the color. Silicone is not going to affect the plastic because it has UV protection in Solution Finish. So you're not going to have any problem with applying silicone-based products over the top of Solution Finish.
That's great. So when you're applying it, should we use only a microfiber towel, or can we use like paper towels or a terry cloth, or should it be microfiber? Another
good question. We found that a microfiber applicator, sponge applicator, has just enough roughness to agitate it when you're applying it, which is going to dissolve and get rid of the oxidation. We found that a paper towel, a terry cloth towel, anything other than now this is a cheap Costco towel, a microfiber, but you need a microfiber because it has just the right fibers to pick up the oil and leave the carbon in place. So these are 2 very important aspects of applying Solution Finish: microfiber applicator, microfiber towel. Now, once you're done with this, there's nothing wrong with taking your towel and your applicator, putting it in a Ziploc bag, putting it where you store it, and you'll come back later and you'll be able to freshen up your plastic just with what's still on the towel. So you can use this over and over again until you feel like it's time to discard it.
Okay, so say I use Solution Finish to restore my faded trim, and a few months from now I decide I want to add another application. Can I do that, or do I have to wait until it starts fading again?
Solution Finish absorbs into the pores, so as you do multiple coats, there's no mill build, meaning it's not going to layer on top of each other. All you're going to do is freshen it up. So even though it lasts months and months, a lot of people, after it rains, after they wash their car, if they want to freshen it up for a Sunday drive, they can put Solution Finish right back over it with no harm and just extend its durability and certainly keep the appearance looking like you want it.
After I put on Solution Finish onto my faded trim, what should I do to maintain it? Is there any specific things that I should do, or?
You know, what a little known fact that people don't realize is that the dust and the particles and the petroleum-based products and the grease and oil that comes off of the road surface lands on your trim, and that will start attacking your plastic. So if periodically you take a clean towel and you dust off, wipe off your trim, just that little tip right there will increase the durability and enhance the look of your trim. If you wipe off the contaminants, because that's what it is, you're going to get increased durability. If you want to put on a plastic dressing to give it to maintain it, that's fine too.
Can Solution Finish only be used on trim restorations, or can you use it on other things?
Great question. If you only knew how many times I have had guys send me pictures, they did it on their barbecue, they did it on their wrought iron fences, they do it on their trailer hitches and their push bars, powder coated material. Anything that oxidizes that has pores in it, Solution Finish is going to absorb into it and refreshen it. So you probably do what most guys do, gals. They try Solution Finish on their trim, then they try it on this and they try it on that. They just want to keep on wiping it on black surfaces because it has so many uses that I typically don't talk about. And I get asked all the time, what is the shelf life of Solution Finish? Well, I have a bottle that I've manufactured 5 years ago. As long as you vigorously shake the bottle prior to application, this is going to sit on your shelf literally for years. A 12-ounce bottle would do 30 to 36 vehicles, so the average DIY guy is going to have it for a long, long time. So as long as you keep it in a dry, cool place and vigorously shake the bottle, it's going to be just like as fresh as when you bought it from us.
So there you have it. 3 simple steps to use Solution Finish. Clean the surface with some alcohol, then apply some Solution Finish with a microfiber cloth or sponge, and then just buff off the excess and it's good to go.
There you go. And if you want any more information, go to trimrestore.com and you can purchase it there, and certainly ask me any questions you may have.
And we want to thank you, Chris, for doing this how-to video and showing us your shop.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any ideas for future videos, go ahead and comment down below this video, and we will see you soon.